Start by taking the nozzle off and making sure that the right size is in it. You take it off by unplugging and twisting. Here you see the correct order everything should be placed in when it comes out of the machine. Use the binder to help you decide what size nozzle you should use based on your material's thickness. Follow the diagram and line it up like so and put it in the machine the way it's lined up in the diagram. Place your corrected sized nozzle back on for your specific material and plug it back in. Before turning the machine on, make sure both rail guard sides are completely clear and there's nothing that will get in the way of the machine's movement. To turn the machine on, flip the main power disconnect and turn the box on. Then hold the button to turn on. Make sure you press yes to home when you turn the machine on. Use the binder to change the settings for the cut to the settings that match not only your nozzle, but your material thickness. Change the settings in the program and press OK. I like to do this first before I do my cut path because I don't want to forget about it after. For this, I'm just going to go to Shape Manager and select an L bracket. Here you can change both the size of your piece and the lead-in of your piece, or if you want to make it a part. Press OK to apply your settings. Use the jog stick to move the torch out of the way so you can place your material on the bed. For this, I'm using 1/4 inch material. Try to place it as straight as you can. Then, you can use the jog stick to move the nozzle to where you want to begin your cut path. You can lower it to help see where it's going to cut. Make sure that your piece fits on where you're going to cut. If it doesn't and it hits a hole, it will stop cutting and produce an error. Before starting, make sure you grab a face shield to protect your eyes from the bright light of the plasma. With your face shield on, go ahead and press start. Make sure you watch the entire cut. If something goes wrong, press stop and wait for the machine to cool down. The metal will be hot after the cut, so before you grab it, proceed with caution and let it cool down or dip it in the water. There are stick magnets that you can use to grab your part before it cools down. Remove your material from the machine bed once you're done.